Sorkar ni kasngi kala lumi ke jingïalang jong ki seng saiñ pyrthei baro ban penpau halor ke jinglap jong ke expert committee habede bet ke state reservation policy hadin bak Sorkar kelawan ra hapo ke ying dorbar thawan jong ke jela u commissioner and secretary jong ke Sorkar Meghalaya oba Cyril V Darlong dingdo IES ulayutu ba yagne ke report lawan ra hapo ke ying dorbar thawan jong ke jela hau rampang kat praterik arhajar arpurreu hadin ba menteri rang ba ke jela ulakular ban khot ke jingïalang bat baro ki seng saiñ pyrthei ha ke jela ulai thuru ba ke Sorkar klapen ya ke jinglap jong ke expert committee sha ki nongelam jong ki seng saiñ pyrthei ki balawan bani shimenta bat kani ka kaipot ka don arpway volume bat kumba 1,000 sla bat la IT sha ki seng saiñ pyrthei kumbala patha da menteri rang ba ke jela Shushu ulai turu babaro ki seng saiñ pyrthei kilawan bani shimbanta lajno ka Voice of the People Party ka ba Khlem 1 Henry lapentip da ka jingtho ya ka jingbom wan ni shimbanta ka jongki Shushu ulai tu ba kampat don kata ka jingtmu ban lumbiang ya ka jingïalang Henry la kentui ki seng saiñ pyrthei bat aya ka jingmut sha ka Sorkar.
So as you are aware, the report of the expert committee on the state reservation policy was tabled in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly on the 18th of February 2026. During the course of those proceedings, Honorable CM had made a statement in the House that all the political parties will be called to seek their views and consultations and to present basically the findings of the report. As you know, this report has already been tabled in the House. It has been given to all the members of the Legislative Assembly. And today we had presented the main findings of the Committee on the Reservation Policy to all the political parties. And Honorable CM has also directed us to give all these political parties a copy of this report. As you know, it's a voluminous report, 21 volumes, almost 4,000 pages. So the findings and the main recommendations of the committee were presented to the political parties. And we had a discussion on the same.
So what is the view of the majority of the political parties?
It will not be correct for me to talk about their views. I think it's good if you ask them their own views. But the majority of the political parties looked at the presentation and there was no major disagreement with what the committee has found in the report. I don't want to go into the details of the report. It's a very lengthy report, but the recommendations are there. I think it's already been shared with the press. All of you know the recommendations. So they appreciated the fact that the government has called them, as Honorable Chief Minister had said that this will happen. And Honorable CM also directed that copies of this report should be given to all of them. And if required, further consultations will be held with others.
Status quo, everybody agreed. So will there be any further meetings or party, or this is the first and last?
All the political parties attended, except one. So I don't think there is a need for any other meeting. Some political parties may also give further suggestions after they go through the report. So we have requested them to go through the report in detail. It's a voluminous report. We have presented, obviously, in 1 hour time. You can present only the main issues, the legal position, the constitutional position, since a lot of the issues dealt with the constitutional law issue or the legal issue. And these were presented to the political parties. And all of them greatly appreciated the fact that the government had called them and we had made this presentation to the political parties.
The VPP fought for review of reservation policy and the report is ready. Why they did not attend?
So they gave in writing that they will not be able to attend, but you should ask them that. They of course informed us that they will not be attending. We had invited all the political parties. But as to why they didn't attend, I think that question you have to ask them. Thank you.